You know why you're here. You need to replace your radiator in your first gen Scion XB. You gonna take it to the mechanic or are you gonna do it yourself? I'll show you the steps and you can decide for yourself. First off, we need to drain the coolant. There's a little knob on the bottom left of the radiator. You can unscrew that with your hand. Now remove the 3 pop clips on the top of the grill. So let's pop the grill right off. Now remove the 5 10mm bolts that hold the top core support on, one on the bottom underneath the hood latch. Now you can take that core support and you can set that to the side. Remove the 4 bolts on the top of the radiator support. Remove the 2 bolts holding the front bumper to the fender. This will let you slide that bumper out of the way. Remove the 2 bolts holding the radiator in. Mine were super rusty, so hit those with a little bit of WD so they don't snap off. Now you can remove the radiator support, disconnect the wire going to the horn, remove the top radiator hose as well as the bottom. A little bit more coolant will come out. If you have these same style clips that hold the hoses on, it's easier just to break off the little piece that stops you from pinching them. Before you pull the radiator out, disconnect the wire going to the radiator fan. You can use a flathead screwdriver to pop the little clip on it. Now the radiator will come right out. My old one had a little tiny pinhole leak down at the bottom of one of the rows. 3 10mm bolts hold the fan shroud on. 2 10mm bolts hold the filler neck on. Now we're gonna replace the thermostat. Remove the radiator hose. You're gonna take out 1 10mm bolt, 1 10mm nut, and you can pop the thermostat housing right out. Now you can pull the thermostat straight out. Now we're gonna take the new thermostat, we're gonna fit the gasket around it, and we can slide that straight back in. Then we'll wipe off the thermostat housing, put that back on, put the 10mm bolt back on, 10mm nut back on, refit the lower radiator hose to the thermostat housing. Now we'll take our new radiator and we'll refit the old filler neck to it with its 2 10mm bolts. We'll refit the old radiator shroud with its 3 10mm bolts to it. Refit the radiator bushings, 2 rubber bushings on the top, 2 on the bottom. Now we can drop that radiator back in, refit the upper radiator hose, put the 2 radiator bolts back in, as well as the 4 that hold the radiator support down. Don't forget to reconnect the horn, put the core support back on with its 5 bolts, as well as the grill with its pop snaps. Reconnect the lower hose, plug that fan back in, and you're ready to fill your radiator back up. I hope this video helped you replace your radiator and save you some money. Go ahead and check out our other videos. We go on a lot of adventures, we fix lots of things, and we'll see you in the next one.